What if bigla kang naging single?
Please, let's talk.
Let's talkin mo mukha mo.
Saan ka lulugar?
Hailey!
Sa kababata?
Hi, Hailey.
Ano yun? Manliligaw?
May girlfriend ka ba?
Majesty. Wala.
Bading ka ba? Type mo ba kang maging girl best friend kaya like kang nandyan for me?
Hailey, hindi ako bading, baliw.
O sa ka-one night stand?
Oh, gising ka na? Breakfast na tayo.
I have to go.
Wait!
But wait, there's more!
Sa pagkakaalam ko, wala naman akong boyfriend.
Well, you have one now.
It's a nice day for surprises.
You are meeting him tomorrow.
Is this a joke?
Viva Films presents the best-selling novel, Your Place or Mine.
Saan mo siya dadalhin?
Ano ba pakialam mo? Bakit? Sino ka ba?
Girlfriend ko yan, gago.
Girlfriend?
Sumakay ka na lang para hindi ka niya pastusin.
About a girl
Siguro na nagpaulan si Kadang kaswertehan sa love life. Late ako nagising. May signboard ba ako sa mukha na nakalagay, I'm stupid?
looking for her rightful place,
Di ba pwedeng maging happy accident ang isang big mistake?
and the boys fighting for a place in her heart.
Hailey doesn't want to see you anymore.
I'm here to marry whoever they want me to.
You just can't do that. Mahal ko si Hailey.
Sorry, brother.
Your Place or Mine.
You don't remember what happened between us? It was pretty wild.
Please, I just want to forget about what happened.
But I can't forget about you.
Starring Andy Eigenman,
This is just one big sick joke.
Andre Paras,
Kasi baka destiny, diba?
and introducing Brett Jackson.
How do you assume that I'm the one who played with them? Hindi ba pwedeng they play with me?
Your Place or Mine, a film by Joel C. Lamangan.
Honestly, girl, ginagantihan mo lang ba si Vince kaya ka nakipag-boom-boom bay sa iba?
In cinemas, April 20.